Hey guys! Do you want to know how to make this work with 18650 batteries? Stick to see more. I decided to make this because, to be honest, I was afraid of lipo batteries. So I found out that these are safer. I even saw kids working with these batteries, so yeah, it's safer. First, I did this and everything fit perfectly, so got my hopes up. Then I realized that I need some space for the wiring and to connect them somehow. So I had to print a bigger battery holder that was included in the file I bought from OFD Designs. And now the batteries fit much better. I have plenty of space to do anything I want basically. Then I bought this 18650 battery holder, replaced the wiring with better silicone ones and put a connector, cut the edges so it can fit the width. So did a very messy way to hold the batteries, slide this in, ready to be connected. I wanted to mention that the link to buy this awesome dart blaster from OFD is on the description. Also, the link to this 3D printed magazine is on the description as well. Let's try it out. It shoots about 6 to 7 darts per second, which I think is fine for my first dart blaster. I hope this helped you if you're also afraid of lipo batteries. Leave a comment. What do you think about the colors? About this awesome design by OFD? Also, if you liked my idea, if anybody else have done this or wants to do this. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you liked it. Thanks for watching.